everybody, this is Jen with the Born2Impress blog, and today I want to introduce you to my comforter light from Sleep and Beyond. A lightweight comforter, perfect for anyone living in warmer climates, which is my case. I live in South Florida, and filled with merino wool, which is a hypoallergenic material and a must-have for allergy sufferers, which is my case and my husband's case. This comforter is very comfortable, very soft to the touch, and actually wicks away moisture so you don't wake up damp in the middle of the night. It helps you to regulate the temperature, so it keeps you warm when it's cold and doesn't overheat you when it's warm. An amazing addition to my bedroom. I have been using this for a couple of weeks now and we absolutely love it. It is washable, machine washable, and it's also backed up for a 5 years warranty. This is just one of the many products offered on their website, and I will highly recommend you to take a look at the products they offer at Sleep and Beyond. And as a matter of fact, I will bring you a few more in a couple of days, so stay tuned.